In this video, you are going to learn how to represent repeated multiplication in index form and describe its meaning. After that, you will learn how to rewrite a number in index form and vice versa. Do you remember what is index notation? In Form 1, we have learned that 9 power of 3 equals 9 times 9 times 9. The number 9 power of 3 is written in index notation. 9 is the base and 3 is the index or exponent. Hence, a number in index notation or index form can be written as a power of n. A is the base and n is the index. How do you convert a number into a number in index form? We look at example 1. Write the following repeated multiplication in index form, a power of n. We look at a. The base is 0.5. Now we check the number of times the base is multiplied repeatedly. And we found that it repeated 4 times. So how we write the answer? 0.5 power of 4. So this is index. Index is 4 because repeated 4 times. And 0.5 is base. We look at B here. So we check also the number of times of the base is multiplied repeatedly. It repeated 5 times. So the answer is negative 3 power of 5. Just now we learned how to convert a number into a number in index form. Now, how to convert the numbers or algebraic terms in index form into repeated multiplication. Okay, so we look at A, 3 over 5, power of 5. So this is the base and this is the index. So means it repeated 5 times. We write the answer like this. 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 times 3 over 5 and last one 3 over 5. Okay, quite simple, right? So k power of 4, the answer is k times k times k times k. So repeated 4 times. If got negative, then we write the base in bracket. So negative 2p times negative 2p times negative 2p times negative 2p times negative 2p. So repeated 5 times. Okay, now we are going to learn how to rewrite a number in index form. So we have two methods. The first method is we use the repeated division method. The second method is we use the repeated multiplication method. So I will show you both of the method. Okay, so for the A, 1000. So the base is 10. So we use the repeated division method. So it will like this. 1000 divided by 10. So 1000 divided by 10 equals 100. So can divide again by 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So you calculate until you get 1 at the bottom, then you stop. So means that here repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1000 equals 10 power of 3. Okay, so now we try the repeated multiplication method. So the base is 10, so we start with 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. So not the answer. We times again 10. So 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000. Okay, so 1000 is equals 10 power of 3 because repeated 3 times. Okay, we look at B here. If we use the repeated division method, we start with 243. So 243 divided by 3. Why divided by 3? Because the base above here is number 3. Okay, so 243 divided by 3, you will obtain 81. And again, 81 divided by 3, you will obtain 27. 27 divided by 3, you will obtain 9. And 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So must remember, if you use the repeated division method, must divide until the bottom is number 1. Okay, so now we try the denominator. 3125. 3125 divided by what number? You refer to here, the base at the bottom here, denominator is 5. So divided by 5. 3125 divided by 5 equals 625. Okay, so 625 divided by 5, you will obtain 125. Again, 125 divided by 5 equals 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Okay, so now what is the index for 3 over 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So means that 243 over 308 over 3125 equals 3 over 5 power of 5. C. We need to rewrite 0.064 in index form and the base is 0.4. For decimal number, normally I prefer use repeated multiplication method. Okay, so how to use repeated multiplication method? Quite simple. You see, the base is 0.4, so you start with 0.4 times 0.4. So you check equals what? 0.4 times 0.4 equals 0.16. Okay, so you times again 0.4. So times 0.4, you will get 0.064. So here 0.064. Means that 0.064 is equals 0.4 power of 3. We look at D. The question is 81 over 256. The base is in negative. Negative 3 over 4. Okay, if I use the repeated multiplication means negative 3 over 4 times negative 3 over 4. Okay, we check the answer. It will equal 9 over 16. So not yet get the answer. So we times again negative 3 over 4. So 9 over 16 times negative 3 over 4. You will obtain negative 27 over 64. Again, multiply again negative 3 over 4. Means that negative 27 over 64 times negative 3 over 4. Okay, so now you obtain the answer 81 over 256. So conclusion is 81 over 256 is equals negative 3 over 4 power of 4. Okay, next example. How do you determine the value of number in index form a power of n? Okay, means we need to find the value of 5 power of 4. So how to get 5 power of 4? So means that we expand it first. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Then you find the value. It is equals 625. Okay, B 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.8. Repeated 4 times because the index is 4. Okay, so what is the answer? 0.4096. That's all for today. Don't forget subscribe my channel to get more videos. See you.